Hello friends, how are you? I am hoping you are doing great. This video is going to be helpful for the entire LinkedIn community. I know you landed up into this video because you are annoyed with LinkedIn's weekly invitation limit. You are desperate to find the solution to overcome this weekly limitation. After a couple of my videos on handling LinkedIn's weekly limitation, I now have a solution for you. The time has come that I show you how I could send over 140 plus invitations in few days this week. No one will show you what I am going to show you now. Check out this invitation sent recently on one of the accounts that I am handling. You could see over 140 plus invites sent in few days of a week. Let me know if you would like to know how it is possible. To know the solution, please share this video with as many people as possible, and I will share the simple strategy that I use to get rid of this in my next video. I am hoping this will help everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel to know anything about